Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we've got our Model X and our Model Y here. So what more Christmas can you want than to schedule some light shows? So it's probably not going to be forever that we're going to have two Teslas. So we figured we'd take this opportunity since it's Christmas to schedule light shows. We've only done it once on the Model Y. We haven't done it before on the X. So this will be the first time that we're seeing it. And we figured we'd get both in together at the same time. So I've set the buttons already. Apparently once we close the door, they should start. Alright, we finally got there. As you guys can see, it's pretty dark outside now. It's 8:44. So Model X, it did actually crash quite a few times. There was quite a few issues, and yeah, I also tried to fly my drone. I did run it into a pole, so you know, I'll put a picture up of the aftermath. It did have a fight with a pole and a few rocks, so it still survived. It's a fighter, so it probably lives to see another day. Bloopers. This is a fail. It's trying to do two cars at once. It's harder than you think.